In the depths of the Atlantic Ocean, a mystery unraveled that continues to baffle minds over a century later. A ship, drifting aimlessly, was discovered, not wrecked, nor attacked, and yet it was entirely empty. The vessel's name was the Mary Celeste, a ship that had set sail with a full crew of passengers and cargo just days earlier. As another ship spotted this ghostly sight moving slowly across the water, the sailors aboard were filled with curiosity and caution. Initially, it appeared to be just another ship at sea, but a quick inspection revealed a startling truth. No one was at the helm. As they boarded the Mary Celeste, they braced themselves for a grim discovery. What they found inside was astonishing. Everything seemed in order. The cargo remained intact, crew possessions were untouched, and remarkably, the ship was fit to sail. Yet, amidst this calm, there lay an unsettling fact. Food and supplies were still in place, suggesting a hasty departure. The environment told a story of suddenness, not one of careful planning. The sailors were baffled. Why had the crew abandoned a perfectly operational ship in the vastness of the ocean? Their exploration quickly took a more alarming turn when they noticed the lifeboat was missing, indicating that everyone on board had left in a hurry. But the unanswered questions multiplied as they pondered the circumstances. What could have compelled trained sailors to vacate their vessel, leaving everything behind in a moment of panic? There were no signs of damage, no evidence of a raging storm, and no message left behind to clarify the bizarre situation that had unfolded. The air was thick with mystery and apprehension as theories began to circulate. Some suggested that the crew may have feared toxic fumes from the cargo. Others posited that sudden weather changes might have sparked a panicked response. But what was most chilling was the realization that if the Mary Celeste was indeed seaworthy enough to continue sailing, something must have instilled enough terror to cause its crew to flee into the unknown. What could be so catastrophic that abandoning ship seemed the only viable option? No confirmed survivors were ever found, and no definitive answers came forth. The Mary Celeste remains a haunting silhouette against the tide, a ship adrift, untouched by time. As we reflect on this historical enigma, one troubling question lingers. If you were aboard that fateful ship, what would drive you to leave everything behind in the vast emptiness of the ocean?